So you graduated from school, you were in college,
Yeah.
and most people told you that जो पढ़ाई होती है ना वो सिर्फ 12th तक होती है, उसके बाद में you
Hmm.
just get in college, you do your
Yeah.
degree, get your MBA, and then life is set.
Hmm.
But let me tell you guys कि ये this is the thing of the past, and
Hmm.
now the world doesn't work like that. And if you are entering college in 2020 or like इस time पे जो भी बाद में भी लोग करेंगे, the
Hmm.
things are getting very different. People are starting to become entrepreneurs at the young age of 19, 18, and they're earning
Yeah.
good money, all right. If you
Yeah.
have skills in these times, you don't need a degree. If you have skills, you can just get started. There are some companies that are offering things to people who have skills, and they're not even looking at the degrees, all right. So things are changing. So for
True.
that, so for that, you really need to have a plan and think about stuff that you really need to do in college,
Yeah.
because that thing is of a past now. When you just enter the college, चुपचाप जाके पढ़ते हो, थोड़ा मजे
Hmm.
वजे किया and it's over. अब
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं चलता है. So David, let's just start that. How can a student get an internship in first year of the college itself? Start
Like,
उससे.
do you want to talk about first why getting an internship is important?
All right, so start with that. First, tell that
Yeah.
why getting internship is important. Then we'll
Yeah.
move on to how to
Yeah.
get.
So, first of all, like obviously, it's very common that you get actual practical exposure from going on internships. But what you learn at a later stage when you do a lot of internships, that you actually get to apply what you're learning in class, right?
Right.
You learn a lot of things in college and a lot of bunking. If you don't bunk all your classes, then you learn. And the best thing is you also get to apply it in real scenarios, which is an exposure lacking in schools. You
Right.
actually apply what you learn. तुम
Exactly.
algebra नहीं कर रहे हो कॉलेज में, ठीक है? So if you're a marketing major or you're a finance major, finance internships are like a pretty hard to get. But marketing, you actually get to apply what you're learning. You get to apply the strategies and all, right?
Exactly.
Uh, and one more, some more advantages are networking. You build a lot of connections by going on internships. You with professionals who are actually working right now and will be able to help you in the future. And I think other than like building up your resume, adding like internship certificates to your CV, you get actual professional valuable feedback. Like
Right.
when we talked about our internship experience, right? I still remember like when our internship was about to get over, right? Uh, you and me, we had to go to an office to
Yeah.
chat about it. And I remember like our mentor, he
Right.
actually sat us down and he actually talked to us. Like he told, I saw your work and these are the strengths that I think you have, these are the weaknesses you work on. And it sounds like it's a normal thing people do, but that was actual feedback based on my actual work,
Right.
that I applied knowledge, I applied myself in. And that
So
like that feedback has helped me, like, yeah, to improve till now.
the
Yeah.
most important thing that I can like take out of your like what you just said is that you need to get quality internship, guys. You will really get to know how the work is done. All right. Number two, you will get to know how companies function, right?
Yes.
What kind of things you need to do, and what all is expected from you. Because companies jitna maine dekha hai, they will not treat you like interns, they will treat you like an employee. You will get to know the pressures that you are going to face after your graduation, and if you are
Yeah.
ready for it. If you're not ready for it, it's just fine. You can do something else and not get
Yeah.
into the corporate world. Things are opening up
Yeah.
now, and सबको वही चीज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नंबर थ्री, नेटवर्किंग, जिसके बारे में दिव्यत ने बात करी थी, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग.
Yeah.
तुम्हें क्या पता कि इफ यू लेट्स से यू वर्क फॉर अ कंपनी, you make really good connections with the people in that company, and let's say like you work really well, and after your graduation अगर मान लो तुम्हें कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा हो,
Mm.
you're not getting a placement, you're not
Yeah.
getting a good package, and maybe if you're not happy with the company you're working in, you always have an option that okay, I know someone from that company, I've worked there
Yeah.
before as an intern and he knows me, I
Yeah.
can maybe try in that company. So that is really important, and networking is something आई थिंक मैंने पहले भी एक पॉडकास्ट में एक बात बोली है दैट योर
Hmm.
नेटवर्थ इज योर नेटवर्क इज योर नेटवर्थ.
Network.
The people you are with, you are definitely going to gain something out of it, or out of them. If you are with negative people, you will gain negative
Yeah.
stuff. If you're with positive people, you will get positive stuff. So ये तो सारी बातें हो गई
Yeah.
द
I,
बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इंटर्नशिप्स. इसके
I
अलावा कुछ कुछ
I think
ऐसी.
one more thing that you get out of internship, which I think is a very important thing, is
Yeah,
that if you actually are ready or if you actually like the work that you're doing. For like
exactly,
taking example, in school you choose your stream, right? But you do not know if you will like it after 2 years or something. But in
exactly,
internships, if like if you think you are, originally I personally thought I would fit in as an HR. I would like it. And like if I when I saw the JD or even saw some internships of like in the HR field, I knew that this wasn't meant for me, and I could actually realize that maybe, and that helped me choose, like I'm a finance major now.